In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, the secret to building a million-dollar HVAC business lies at the intersection of technology and tradition. As the HVAC industry transforms, one groundbreaking tool is leading the charge: artificial intelligence. But how exactly can AI propel your HVAC business into the realm of seven figures? Join us as we unravel this intriguing journey. Imagine a world where your HVAC systems anticipate failures before they occur, optimize energy usage with unparalleled precision, and deliver customized thermal comfort to each corner of a building. This is not a distant future, it's the reality that AI brings to the table today. Let's start our exploration by understanding how AI enhances efficiency and reliability in HVAC systems. Traditional HVAC systems often operate on fixed schedules, which can lead to inefficiencies and higher energy consumption. Enter AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time. AI systems can adjust HVAC operations based on real-time climate data, energy prices, and occupancy patterns. The result? A dramatic reduction in energy costs and improved operational efficiency. Some businesses have reported energy savings of up to 30% by utilizing AI-driven HVAC systems. Imagine the cost savings for your business and how these savings could be reinvested to drive further growth. But AI's capabilities extend far beyond energy efficiency. Consider predictive maintenance, which is revolutionizing how HVAC businesses approach equipment servicing. Traditional maintenance models rely on scheduled checkups, which can miss critical issues lurking within the system. In contrast, AI algorithms continuously monitor system performance, identifying anomalies and predicting potential failures before they disrupt operations. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and extends the lifespan of HVAC systems, leading to significant cost savings and increased customer satisfaction. As we delve deeper, let's examine how AI can transform customer interactions. Today's customers demand personalized experiences, and AI is perfectly poised to meet these expectations. By analyzing customer data, AI can anticipate individual preferences and offer customized solutions tailored to specific needs. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction but also fosters loyalty and promotes repeat business, key components in building a successful enterprise. Moreover, AI-driven chatbots are revolutionizing customer service in the HVAC space. Available 24/7, these virtual assistants handle routine inquiries, schedule maintenance, and even troubleshoot minor issues, freeing up valuable time for your human workforce to tackle more complex tasks. This seamless integration of AI into customer service not only improves operational efficiency, but also ensures a consistent and responsive customer care experience. However, achieving the million-dollar mark with an AI-powered HVAC business requires more than just implementing the technology. A successful transformation hinges on a strategic approach to AI adoption. Start by identifying specific pain points within your business operations that AI can address. Whether it's reducing energy consumption, enhancing predictive maintenance, or personalizing customer interactions, a targeted approach ensures the most significant impact. Training and upskilling your workforce is also essential. While AI can handle routine tasks, human expertise remains invaluable, particularly in managing complex scenarios and forging strong customer relationships. By equipping your team with the skills to work alongside AI, you're creating a harmonious synergy that maximizes both technological and human potential. Additionally, fostering a culture of innovation is crucial. Encourage an open mindset among your team and promote continuous learning and adaptation as AI technology evolves. This culture will attract top talent and ensure that your business remains at the forefront of industry advancements. As we draw to a close, it's clear that the secret to building a million-dollar HVAC business lies in leveraging AI to create a seamless integration of technology and human ingenuity. From enhancing efficiency and reliability to revolutionizing customer interactions, AI offers a roadmap to unprecedented growth and success. But remember, the journey doesn't end with adopting AI. It begins there. By strategically implementing AI solutions and fostering a culture of innovation, you're positioning your HVAC business not just to thrive, but to lead in an ever-evolving industry landscape. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI in the HVAC industry. We hope you found these insights enlightening and are inspired to innovate and drive your business toward new heights.